Hi there, Wayne come from Merapoh. So today we're going to learn a little bit about camera trap. A camera trap is a remotely activated camera that uses a motion sensor or an infrared sensor or uses a light beam as a trigger. Camera trapping is a method for capturing animals on films when the researcher is not present. Camera trap is a non-invasive tool that has a low interference to the target species. So camera traps can run 24 hours a day, can be left unattended in the field for several months depending on the life expected of the battery, and reduce sampling bias that usually occur when using a traditional ground-based techniques. By default, the camera will take 3 pictures per triggers with 1 pause between the pictures and no delay between the trigger. If you wish to change the default setting, you can do it in the field at any time. Changes are easily made by using the control buttons and also the LCD displays. Before putting the camera trap in the field, the track, the scat, the feeding signs and habitat preference of the target animals need to be considered so that the most appropriate location is chosen. It is way better to set it where there's likely to be a lot of wildlife activity.